Do you want to live a life that's more connected with the wild? Do you want to be able to make the very clothes on your back straight from nature's bounty? This hide tanning class was created to connect you with your ancestors, the deer, and your wild self. I'm Natalie Bogwalker, and I make my home in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm a mom, a homesteader, a natural builder, and a deer hide alchemist. Over the last 15 years, I have tanned a lot of hides, and I have guided hundreds of people in tanning hides with the wet scrape brain tan method. I have distilled my knowledge of hide tanning into 18 manageable and very doable sections, which make up this online class. Through over 8 hours of video and a comprehensive course manual, this online class can be used as a companion to walk with you step by step via your phone, tablet, or laptop as you tan a hide. When you add in our technical support, which will help you step by step as you work your way through the process, we are really setting you up for success to transform a rawhide into a soft, supple, beautiful, and comfortable buckskin. You are welcome to keep these videos for years to come. So if you come across a step that's got you tripped up in the future, you can easily refer back. We will guide you through each step of tanning a hide, including how to get a hide, how to build or make or get the equipment that you need to tan a hide, fleshing, bucking, graining, membraning, ringing, braining, softening, and finally, smoking your hide. We are also including some bonus material, which will help you to utilize your gorgeous finished buckskin to make something that's totally you and of your own design. No matter where your ancestors are from, you evolved to be part of the web of life, to hunt, to gather, to tan hides, and probably to wear them. It is time for you to reclaim your birthright and find out what awakening ancestral skills and the alchemy of hide tanning can mean for you.